Hey! Another envelope.
That was a long way down, wasn't it?
It was, isn't it? OK, so it's 2-1 to me, guys, all to play for.
OK.
Oh, God, thanks for gluing this on. So,
what the final challenge is.
I can't feel my fingers. OK, another challenge. It's a bonus challenge.
Oh, wow.
As a treat for surviving this far, you get to create a super slow-motion driving shot using a gadget of your choice.
Okay.
Ooh, good.
Right, well, I'll drive as fast as I can through a big puddle and you can film it.
Good idea.
Good, yes, well done.
Finally, some less extreme tech. Recent improvements in processing power means cameras can record at frame rates that would have been impossible a few years ago. The slow-motion results can look amazing. But which camera is best?
So we've all got our slow-mo gadgets, and we're going to get Custard Knievel to drive through a puddle.
Excellent.
Right, and he's off.
I was capturing my shot on a Sony Rx10. This bridge camera can record at up to 960 frames per second.
You gotta suffer for your art, don't you?
I was trying another Sony. This is the Sony Xperia Compact, capable of filming at 960 frames per second. But it's not that easy to get it right. As recording super slow-mo takes up so much memory, this only lets you capture 0.2 seconds at a time.
Go. Do you got it? Got it?
Let's have a look, shall we? This means it's very easy to press record too early.
No, you did miss it a bit.
Bit premature there, Otis.
If that wasn't it, I'll be really upset. When you get it right, the results can be pretty impressive, if a little murky in low light.
I mean, there's slow, and there's Otis slow. My GoPro Hero 6 may only be able to record 240 frames per second, but it's waterproof, dead tough, and easy to use. Come on, John boy. Whoa! You mucky duck!
So, which one's best?
The two Sonys do look incredible, and a result like this is particularly impressive from a smartphone.
But I have to say that while the GoPro can't go as slow, it looks crisper and more colourful. And I reckon will give the most consistent results.